Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV about.
Nasty man JB, Jeremy and Baker. Yeah? I know from Almond where I come from. People, none of the stuff them say about JB is not allegation. Them are fucking facts. You hear me tell you? This is what me I tell you. This is what me, Khalil Anthony Williams, now tell you now. You see me? I'm ready for that right now in a pussy car. You must batty boy. You should have glad say you that jail batty man JB. JB, you should have glad say you that jail pussy. I swear to God, my mother alive. Anytime I see a gunshot, you, I'm going to show you on wheels. You are my 6 points, son. That's because of you, pussy. You see me? You, nasty boy, JB. None of these things are allegations. They are all true. You hear me tell you? I want to listen to me I tell you now. You see me? I wish jail for none of my brothers them and none of them. See me? None of them something here. When them say allegation, at blood clot show. You hear me tell you? JB, you're a nasty boy. I am dead in a prison. You fit dead in a prison. Pussy. Jeremy and Baker. Real talk. If you come around pussy, don't make my buck you. Come here, come search you. You search your body boy. You see me? You fuck off your daughter, then you try to come fuck off my wife, right? You never know me like a ear. My youth is a nasty motherfucker, yo. You're a nasty ass motherfucker, yo. JB, I'm tell you this pussy well. I never me buck you, my youth. It's on, I tell you. I'm gonna come down here yard. I'm gonna say, look, all this man here. I'm gonna say, not nice. You know it go. I said, I'm gonna say, to my wife, I try to get back to my rating. See me? I'm gonna say, alright, my lord. You see me? I did it. When I left down there, I say house and then something there. I'm going to put together, we'll get the house and everything. Which say bad mind thing from them time. They are pre the thing in the land. Look how much house they have. You see me? And the one house I buy. You see me? And when I'm getting a like allegation and you have my dog and I say JB, you know, so roof shops go on, you see me? And the woman come and vent to you. I have try to fuck off the woman. My youth, I want to you. The wife on waste, it is a waste girl, me David. It is a waste girl, I'm married to. Nasty JB, nasty Jeremy and Baker, dirty pussy, batty boy, hey boy. Remember, I'm telling you this, brother. Anyway, me buck your pussy hole. That me I tell you. So any batty boy want to take up this from him head, it is on. Me not hide shit. I'm not talk with water and I'm a blood clot mouth. Any pussy want to take up this, it's on. That me I tell you now. I say not internet talking. You see me? Pussy, you're too nasty. You're too nasty, my youth. How much money you have, brother? You're too nasty, my youth. Yeah. Turn up a man place, brother. Talk to man about business. Your pants front pull and I try. So this woman is in the woman. Brother. That's why you never answer my call. I think the woman did tell me. I think the woman did tell me, but she never tell me. Somebody me set up at the house. And the person call me this man and tell me everything. Me hear everything what she said. And that me tell the person, yo, somebody have to do some fuckery, make a nasty answer I call him to know, you see me? Because if me say to the woman, say, yo, this is my dog, you like the house of my dog. I try to fuck a woman. We think I'm pussy. Karma. God like ugly. See your karma, look where I reach your pussy hole. Look where I reach you. Nasty German baker or fuck off. Yo, brother. Oh, you, brother. Real talk. Oh, you ever fuck off your daughter? Or you have sex, or you have nature for even your own blood. Or you have nature for your own blood. That's nasty. That is fucking nasty and this grunt, brother. Me notice that everybody upon CMR this, CMR that, CMR this, same, and nobody not talk about this nasty prick here. Everybody want afraid. I'm afraid of him. I'm afraid. Nobody not talk about this nasty prick here, but everybody upon CMR. You know the CMR. What the fuck? What?
So not nice. Did you tell them what are the allegations?
I post everything on my page. So everybody see that.
Oh,
So wait a minute, Momo, you know when I go live, my live not past 10 or 15. I'm going to go live, I go 30 in a 1 second. So I post everything on my page. So I see everything, I see the charges and everything. And when this man bring all the people from Jamaica, him try to fuck them off and own up on them passport.
wow.
You get me, I say? And like everybody keep this on a wrap. The first something go about him, you see them take it down off of YouTube. You see me? Then the second something go out, you see me? And then when I tell the people them about what are going on, people them say you're not nice and say going on. And when the people them go check the woman, and I'm gonna tell them everything in the brother. I'm hear everything in my youth, you see me? And I say, see, and listen, this is something that my mind just bumble clock tell me more. Me never tell you from day one more, me never tell you. And Nicky Bax I say, Ray. And I say, Nicky Bax I want to you. Nobody never tell me that my mind, I tell me, take me a pussy. Me a bad people, enter my mind, I say, moment, I say, my roll. Just believe me, mama, man.
No, man, I say y'all lie. Me read it too.
No, me know. You see me, but me just say, you see me? Remember, brother, when made up on the phone with that Friday, I said, not nice. Get your shit together, bro. And I said, not Nicky. More, do this, do that. And Nicky come on the phone, and I said, not nice, and I said, Nicky, no, something wrong. Something off key. Something right. And she that brother, I'm tell you something, I know the one married to brother. And I know our ways. So when I see certain behavior, I know that something off key, something wrong. This batty boy named JB, Jeremy and Baker, fucking daughter. The people that when bring up from Jamaica, ladies them try to fuck them off. You see me? In going to ask them fuck Crick. You understand? That's we know. I say like, bro, like you just bring them Jamaicans at all time. Pussy will like you, and then no dirty drunk like you know, but no the general, you just bring on a lot of people with you, pussy will. Cause there's a lot of people involved with you. And none of these are allegations, they are all facts and blood clot through you. Last year, August, last year, I signed the paper for the house closing. Last year, July. Email on the paper for the house closing. You see me? She said, certain things already at the place, you see me? I'm sorry, then. She said, outside, you see me? And when the house closed and everything, me not, you know, me feelings, so me not cuss. And you understand me? I say, you know the shit, Momo. And like, she get mad and thing, and then that got up Momo. So like, she said, what the fuck? This nigga, let's say I'm friend, whatever, come at me like that?
So
With your fucking
well, you
punch,
just
like,
find
my
this
wife is a
out?
waste girl, and I call her on one phone after hours at night.
No, so this you just finding out about this?
I find out already, but I just want to get the full facts and force before I start going ahead with the want you to fear bumbo clap mouth. I'm here to time out now.
This is crazy.
Brother, I'm telling you something. I'm going to say this to the people. Any man who kill woman, any man who put them kids to get the death penalty. Any man who rape to get the death penalty. Niggas have to understand themselves and know the worth and know the value and controlling the emotion and self. You see me? JB, your daughter, you fuck up her head. You fuck up the little girl head. You see you, all are black. Maggie are black. You see me? Because you are going now. You're too active in the comment section. And I don't want to distract me. So all are black. Alright. Bro, all man don't know where you come from. You come from man for whatever, and come in a place and man rate and thing, and when man knock upon the whole thing, and you know the 100. He and Clifford and the way the man them parent, and you know me come from Campbelltown. You know my cousin Marcus, the whole stress. You see me? And man rate a brother. Brother, come at man like this, my youth. Come at a boy and a bumbo clock. Yo, I realize something I tell you about right now, brother. I swear to God for my life, I wish him would have get bail today. I wish German Baker get bail today. I'm gonna show him who's blood clot, not nice. I'm not gonna prison either. Batty boy JB. Pussy I tell people about how much answer my call them because you know I'm coming because I come to fuck him. No, you know you never answer the call them. Because what you do, say things to the only that tell me. But you should know my station, know my sick, you should bumbuckler tell me, brother. Oh, fuck you up. Before them could have catch you. Oh, fuck you up, I swear to God. Instead to get bite, squash gonna jail. See how I look at snitch. Man, I don't go from here, man. Man, don't from me. It's when they get lack of pussy, squash get suck off. Baby. God be witness to you. You hurt me, you. I know my ass suck and I can't go feel the blood clot eye. It's not his stepdaughter, his daughter, his own daughter. He fought the lady from Almonton and I'll bring up in baby mother. Because baby mother helped you in the pay. That's who always be the fucking demon and the people that will be the good guy character. But true, man, like that, that's always a I'm the bad guy. You see me? Brother, when I fuck no. That's the same thing there, man. JB, bro, I swear to you, I wish you get the death penalty. And when you get lethal injection, then dog get good, you suffer the consequences, bro. Of all the trauma, as a girl, where we see an apartment, the man, the guy from New York, brother, and keep the man and keep the girl outside the apartment, brother. So the girl stop fucking, brother. You see me? When the guy come in the house and tell me to, instead of you're not exactly do it on a girl. And I couldn't do that. I couldn't do it on a girl. I bring her in the house anyway. You see me? Because I'm all them out there. You see me? And I'm friend, take the girl and care her, go somewhere put her up. You see me? So I'm going to eat my play them things there. You get me? Because certain things I'm going to play. I have daughter too. I'm a woman, I'm a cuss and fight and carry on. But let me tell you, every woman that left me, left something. Left with something. And when all of my ex them and them always have good things to say about me. Always have good things to say about me. Just that I'm a dark motherfucker. I'm not like fucker. You see me? These are the things I'm going to tell you someone now. Stop being a parent and being a friend and try to build a relationship with the kids them. Find out what I go on. You see me? Bring in some fuckboy in their life and them a fuck up. They put them on a parent and son them. You see me? That matter of someone or woman. You get the message? And I said, I look at him, his own daughter, his own fucking child, and try to fuck her. That's even try to fuck her. He did a fuck her for a couple of years well, until the little girl friend going at the blood clot phone, or little second going at the blood clot phone, and see it and show them stepmother. And the blood clot woman going at the I've reported card. If she not reported, she get caught up night so she know what I cannot say about it. But the woman reported. You see me? I hear there fuck the little girl German and people never know. That man I tell you. Oh, them set up your blood clot. When I try to fuck off my wife in pussy, everybody could have tell you like, the woman just bumble clam, just to the house cousin, bumble rascal, like batty boy. Just to the house cousin. And from September to the woman, I'm going to put them say, oh, she not to call him and really. I'm going to send the realtor around there today. What's that? Bro, I'm going to pay back to every people. Ask any youth about me. Them guys are not nice. A good youth. Me am anger ways, but me a good person. JB, man, tell you. I'm sit down as a youth, now tell you the face of me, yeah, youth. Fuck you up when I catch a youth. Now, you, brother, you can't so evil, my youth. My youth, you give me the link for buy the house, and you give everything, my youth, the link. Alright. Don't be sure you say the boy never knows I'm serious. When the man say 5 people want the house. See, it's a mama, let's put the house. So I say, and you know certain things about so I say, we can do something here. We can make a pay money and take them out of the market. I have 48 hours to do that. I'm going to learn. You see me? I'm going to Florida. I'm going to come to BAM. I'm going to link him to JB. I'm going to give the man 6 grand to take the house of the market. I'm going to link him to JB. Lend me 2 grand. JB look at me and say, you're not nice, but I have it. I'm going to say, JB also. I remember saying, if you don't trust you, I remember, I said, JB, why if I give her the money, because I have the money? Is the man say, and I'm saying, I have it. I'm want JB full up a stack of money, put them in a dirty or something. I'm going to buy my shit, mate, you see me? In which, he may know some see him, but and I might be can be a thief. Alright? Because, kill it. That's why as much as skill have him fucked up ways, I still have enough skill it, send the money come in me. I try to get a house for the market and skill it, send 2 grand come in me. You see me? I call Big Gucci, and I'm a dog from Bronx. The man send 4 grand come one and I make him wife send 4 grand come one and I come and give the man the house and take the house around the market and just get the house we start move funny. So my wife kick off, come like the best things for JB. You see me? It's me never know what go on. So the woman start get fake. I remember saying, me get man and start telling her some because she know me. She know how I stay. So I start saying some judge things. So she start saying, yo, Ian, I'm going to trust you. You see me? I would say, boom, I say, you know what? I must give her a break, and she just go and do things. I send people to the house and she went to the house and she did it. You see me? That she didn't know, say, JB, I try to fuck off my wife, be. And when the woman said that, the woman said, bumbo clot, if I feel friend, give me the link and rate it. So I must tell the man to try and catch woman in the good. I know man, nah, take a chat from me, brother. You see me? Because why? To what JB do. And when me see some woman, the man get locked up on me, say, I still have a choice, I can help the man and rate it. The man tell me everything what I want, and I say, you're not lie. He may do that and lie. And when I hear everything, me the good is the source, out of the source, no, I say, yo, I eat this meal on that nice. right this for me. It's how the road stop for me. You tell me, you know what the fuck would I do? You tell me, say, so the next man will cross me like that, brother. You, bro, I tell you, you're richer than me. Coming on the money. You see me? But make sure you're ready. Come ready for that. I swear to God, I see it, so I swear to God, I'm like, sir, I'm ready for that. I'm ready for that. I'm ready for what you alongside of my father. I'm ready for that. That man, I tell you, suppose I'm not just dead, so I bring some pussy wall with me. So it's on. So Batman, Jeremy and Baker, big up yourself. People, none of what they said was any allegations. They were all true facts. My name is Notnice from the Alliance. My real name is Khalil Anthony Williamson, and I'm here to do this. Alright. Remember, Nicky Blacks went down there. People want to respect Nicky Blacks. Want to rate the lady there. She don't bring down people unless them fuck with her. So if you don't fuck with Nicky Blacks, she don't fuck with you. Remember them use the woman and style the woman and bring her when she hear the facts and everything. The woman never come telling her, say, yo, I'm that time, fuck off. She tell them, say, I'm a rapist. She tell them, say, I'm a this, yes, and whatever. But Nicky Blacks never come telling her how him fuck. Just like how everybody else say, oh, me never come talk. Why people come talk? And my business. Nobody can fuck with my daughter because my baby mother are a chip. Alright, that's a beer mad girl me breed. A beer mad girl me breed. My baby mother them head mad no blood clot. No boy can't play with none of my people. Them and I ask Christ that's no. Yo, Bible. Yo, when I ask Christ. Any pussy or defend that, ready up. Ready. The summer hot, ready. Right to take where I move. You see me? JB people is a nasty motherfucker. Wanting to screen record this morning and post it all over the fucking world. Not like Alliance. I tell him, I say, JB, he is a fucking rapist, he's a molester. Listen, man, want to talk all the blood clot blogger them. Cause them big pussy blogger, yeah. Them big fuck out what listen, man, you know. Only left a same blood clot name. I pussy the man a fuck. You see me? Chris, big up yourself. No disrespect to your mama. You see me? You understand me? But in the day, you're not touching data then. Respect CMR. Big up yourself, you. 100% you. Not nice at that. Big up your bumbo class self. You see me? You're not a JB. You're a fucking CMR. Okay? You're not a drunk body. You're a fucking CMR. You see me? When you see me I do this, brother, how you do for you fuck with me, brother. You can't fuck with me like that, you. After my rate, I do so much things here. That's why Rika take up, that's why Rika they get $1 for the massacre show, pussy hole. That's why Rika style and get $1 for the massacre show. He's a little pussy, kind of like ugly. Karma is a bitch. When you put out there, get back. You see me? Big up yourself. When you put out there, get back. When you put out there in the area, get back. Put God's first and everything come after. You see me? Sometimes we'll fuck up in a life where we say, sure, go wrong and us know, say, oh, God is God. And without God, we can't blood clot make it. When I say, you you for fuck your little daughter, youth. You're for dead. You for get the dead penalty, youth. I tell you that. I tell you that blood clot. JB Records, JB Promotion. I'm sorry, some of the general and name call for your bumbo clot. I promote some of the general name, brother. But you're a shit house, bro. JB, you're supposed to get the death penalty just by thinking about it. If you get the death penalty, youth, your own child, your own flesh and blood, you're a monster. You would actually not even know or you piss me up. You would brother, I roll him for saying never go get jungle justice now you can mash up your bumbo clot and you I know that pussy what JB. Pussy, let me tell you something. I have my side of Almantown. I know you have your side. Ready where you're ready, batty boy. Suck your mother. Ready where you're ready, big pussy JB. Batty boy JB. Ready. Team and bumbuckler mode pussy wall. Pussy bring on Lucifer in and me go suck your mother. JB, maybe we talk about that. I can't tell you that, brother, more you come around and go bust your pigeon, bro. Any boy in a JB camp want pick up this ready. Any boy. I want to know own is not nice. But you know I'm here in the whole block. The whole block. One burner, everything happen. One tap. I know on the deck part. I know if you're ready. This right now, me just hurt you. Batty boy JB, if you go away, you need a death penalty. You to bring down Almantown. Man, if you batty boy, you bring down Almantown, you. Almantown a bad people place and represent the Almantown. No represent the Almantown. Big up try. Try kill thief and bust street throat. You see me? Big up try, bumbo clot from Campbelltown. Big up my G. Big up more than my G. Them bull the whole place. You see me? Batty boy JB. Ready where you're ready. You're nasty. You fuck your own daughter, you. Shit, you. People, as I said, none of this allegation is all facts and truth. But because some of the ladies are scared to come up front and talk because him have some people who fuck them up. But because me know me bad in a real life, me not bad enough on Instagram. Fuck Instagram, me never dance with them not nice or sing for them not nice. And DJ for them not nice. Let them tell about blood clot not nice from Dunkirk. Let them tell you what the blood clot pastor from Dunkirk. Let them tell you who from Whitehall. Let them tell you from blood clot Petroleum. Let them tell you from pussy clot Tivoli Garden. Let them tell you the whole thing. Let them tell you me that fuckery. Tell someone want to know big pussy people. I take side for fuck because of money and things. JB forget death penalty. People, JB forget death penalty. There's no way you can try to fuck your little daughter. You're crazy for doing that. You want flesh and blood. You want flesh and blood, you. And then every day I hear them get about, oh, see a man did this, CMR this, CMR that, CMR. Want to blood clot JB. Want to man fuck off in data. In own data. On data all that. Want to man bring together from Jamaica and take out them passport and fuck them off and no one give them the passport to through them no one on the pussy. Want to that. JB. It's on, bro. JB. I want the money where definitely I come a court and tell them say, yo, them be sentence. You don't forget bail. You don't forget bail. You nasty ass motherfucker not supposed to get bail. When I check a bumbo clock body, I want to you. When I check nobody, when I say somebody get drunk, we just say I want to you. See, that's what I want to talk about, but you don't want to talk to the fuck to the matter, you fuck off him data. You want to talk about, say, yo, fuck to the matter, say, basically, me a check people, you don't talk to him, fuck off him own child, right? You don't talk about that. Please, miss, don't let me block you. Alright? I beg you. Enjoy the life. Just enjoy the life, me see, okay? Don't block you.
Notnice can lock up JB now.
But excuse me?
Them lock him up now.
A prison usually, which part you live? A prison or one basement you live on that?
Listen here, no teeth, blood clot, big fart, shined man. I'm ask you one
You're not
question
gonna
and
cuss
you
him
yes
right now.
or
He's
no.
Wrong
emotional.
place, wrong time, mama.
Leave
Wrong
him
place,
alone
wrong
right now,
time.
Nicola.
Wrong place, wrong time, Nicola.
I'm serious.
It's
But
serious.
you can't, she ask you a question or you
Wrong
forget
place,
rude
wrong
though.
time. Let me stop.
But she
Stop, please.
ask you a question not nice so she don't know.
Man.
If
Somebody
him
say
not
that she
gonna ask
know.
back for.
You know, say I'm emotional right now.
Nicola, the school of my man.
But he did it, but she don't know
No,
the
I know she
answer.
shouldn't know, man. I know she shouldn't know, man. I know she shouldn't know.
Man.
I wake her up now.
Satan.
I wake her up now. She wake up now, man. She know what time it is.
Hey, I'm supposed to have black Lala. I still a follow Lala.
Brother,
I want black her blood clot.
JB, people, JB forget the death sentence and forget the death sentence and forget the nigger.
Hey, I
I'm
said,
a,
I'm gonna ring
I'm a
something
post
black
everything for
clot.
all of my page them, all of the content them, Jeremy and Baker.